the first mid quiz or term work will be of total duration 1 hour. And the maximum marks is 30, and the total number of questions are 15. So out of these 15 questions 1 to 10 carry 1 mark each. Okay, so you have to complete this section. So this is part 1. This is part 1 of the question paper. This you have to complete within the first 20 minutes. Okay, so that is important. So the exam starts at 2 p.m. So by 2:20 p.m. this section will be automatically closed. So before that you have to submit all the 10 questions answers. So the part 2 time allocated is 40 minutes. Okay, so this session starts from 2:20 p.m. and ends at 3 p.m. So by 3 p.m. you have to complete this part 2 section. Okay, so there will be 5 questions. So questions 11 to 15, and each of these carry 4 marks each. Okay, so here you will have 4 into 5 questions, so that is 20 marks, 40 minutes, and part 1 you will have 10 marks and 20 minutes. So that is how the question paper is divided. Now how to submit this is, so you have to log into your platform. So under the dashboard you can see 3 titles under the ongoing activities. So under the activities and under ongoing you will have 3 activities listed under the name CNTL, that is communication networks and transmission lines. So you have to attempt the quiz portion first. So you open this. So it is opened in new tab. So on the left side you can see the details. So there will be three options. First one is the part 1 of the test, which is the quiz. So that will be this is open now. Okay. Similarly, you will see part 2 of the quiz, which is descriptive, and the third one is the upload, part 2 upload. So three of these things will be available. So when you click the part 1, that is quiz section, you will see this tab. So you will see graded quiz, total number of questions 10 and 20 minutes, so 10 marks is allocated. So the starting time will be actually 2 p.m. So instructions are given, then you have to click on start and you have to submit this within the 10 minutes. So you can submit up to 2:20 p.m. this section. So after submitting this, so this is a normal multiple choice quiz. So after submitting this, you have to click on this section, that is part 2 descriptive. So this tab will be opened. So this is your part 2. So you will have 40 minutes, 20 marks and 5 questions will be there. Okay. So once you click on start, so as soon as you finish the part 1, you have to start this section, because the maximum time is only up to 3 p.m. So you have to complete this section within 3 p.m. So there will be basically two types. First one type is the numerical question, in which you have to calculate the numerical value and type the answer here. For example, I am entering some value like say 5. Another type of question, and I move to next question. So another type you can see here is the descriptive question, in which you have to answer, it may be like definition or some derivation. So this you have to write in the A4 sheet and then you have to click on submit. So if you are able to complete this, then you click on submit and then you move to the next question. Like that there will be 5 questions. So whenever you see numerical questions, you have to write in the answer sheet all the steps for the calculation plus the final answer that you are getting, you should enter in this section, in this part, that is the answer part, and then only you have to click on the next part. For descriptive, purely descriptive, there is no calculation involved, you can click on the submitted button. That is if you have attempted that question. Otherwise you click on not submitted. So it should tally with the answer sheet that you are going to upload next. So after doing all the values in the answer sheet and then entering the values in this section, then finally you have to click on the submit quiz. The maximum time allotted to you is 40 minutes. The timer will be running here. So before that you have to submit this quiz and then you have to move on to the upload section. So once you submit this, you click on after submitting this, you have to click on the upload button. Okay, so that is available here. So this is only for uploading the scanned image of the answer sheet. So whatever answers you have written in your paper, you have to scan and then you have to upload this. So submission type is only upload. So you will have time up to 3 o'clock to completely upload. So within that time span you have to upload this. So write the answers for questions 11 to 15 neatly in an A4 sheet and then scan and upload it. So there is an option, drag your file here or browse for a file to upload. So whatever you have scanned the answer sheet, you have to browse for that and then you upload this in this section. Okay, so you have to convert it into the PDF format and then only you have to upload this. So click on upload. So the file will be uploaded and then you click on the submit assignment button, then only your answer sheet will be uploaded. Click on yes here. So this is the procedure for submitting the quiz part as well as the part 2 descriptive part. Part 2 you have to upload in the PDF format. Okay.